My name is Hailey Harding, and I'm a biology major at Utah State University from Castle Rock, Colorado. Initially, what stood out to me about Utah State is how focused it is on research. As a Carnegie R1 university, it's top tier. USU actually is the second oldest undergraduate research program in the nation, just after MIT, and allows students to get involved their first year. I'm really looking forward to the hands-on experience that comes with being an Aggie. But one of the biggest reasons I chose USU was the scholarship support. Utah State offers so many opportunities based on academic performance, service, involvement, and even family ties. I received the Alumni Scholarship, which gave me in-state tuition because my grandma is an Aggie alum. Thanks, Grandma. Even without a scholarship, USU tuition is often more affordable than many other states' in-state tuition. And it gets even better. By gaining Utah residency after your first year, you can pay in-state tuition, saving thousands. Logan is beautiful. You're surrounded by mountains, and the city has a cozy, small-town feel. I also love the strong agricultural roots. Most of the valley is scattered with farms, dairies, and open land. Coming out of the canyon as you drive into Cache Valley, it always feels grounding and welcoming. My transition to Utah State was smooth. I came in with an associate's degree from college courses I had taken in high school. Most of my credits transferred, which meant I can dive straight into the classes I was excited about. The advising team made the whole process easier by helping me build a plan for the rest of my time here. At Utah State, it was easy to find my place and feel like I was part of the Aggie family. I moved onto campus early for USU 1010 Connections, a course which helps first-year students meet other students, get a feel for campus, and be connected to helpful resources before school even begins. Connections ended with the luminary ceremony, where professors and locals lined the walkways as we went from the Spectrum to the Quad. We watched the Aeon Old Main get lit up with Aggie blue, and were welcomed by the university's president. It was such a cool way to mark the beginning of this journey. Living on campus my first year helped a lot. Resident assistants organized activities that made it easy to meet people, and even simple things like sand volleyball or a fire pit outside my building helped create a fun, welcoming environment. Then came weeks of welcome. 2 weeks full of concerts, dances, and events like high-stakes bingo and a carnival on the Quad. I met so many people during that time, and it really helped me feel at home. I even built amazing connections off campus. From interning at a local zoo to performing with the Cache Valley Civic Ballet, I found opportunities to grow outside the classroom. Choosing Utah State was one of the best decisions I've ever made. It's a place where you're supported, challenged, and truly a part of a community. I've grown so much here, and I'm excited for what's next.